morning guys. So today is Sunday and today is April 13 guys. We're on the way sa Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija guys. And I'm with my lola. Hey Paul! Paul, hi! And my kuya.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it take me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, hard to fit in when I'm flying, flying. Fit in when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere. Endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
Hey guys, so we're finally here at Lake Farm de la Mare. Entrance fee is 100 pesos lang siya guys. Marami pang pwedeng gawin dito guys. Sa likod ko yung 5,000 roses guys. Sa likod is the infinity pool guys. And then punta tayo doon sa mga gazebo nila guys.
That you always have time for family, and not everybody has if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is it good to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is it good
Wag mo na tayo
to resist you? It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and
Once nakapagbayad na kayo guys, bibigyan kayo ng wristband for 300 pesos. Unlimited access na to. Hanggang 5 PM siya guys. Side guys.
Seeing eyes of mine, what you feel inside. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.
Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Lunchtime na guys. By the way, pwede po pala magdala ng food dito guys. Wala silang 4K. And pwede din pala mag-grill dito. Meron silang griller. Pwedeng gamitin yun guys. Walang bayad din.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me away. Take me away from you. I feel like
Ayan guys, so kakatapos nun ng ulan and magpipicture-picture muna kami. Actually, maraming overlooking dito. Kahit saang angle kayo pumunta guys. Sobrang nice.
I feel like I knew you then, when I was a little boy. I spent my days imagining
Balik na kami ng car! Para!
the shape
Para!
it would all take.
Thank you, thank you.
And now it takes the